Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Now on this week's video, I ordered 3 wigs off of Amazon. I got a pink one, a green one, and I can't remember the other color, but just remember all links of the sellers and pricing will be down below. I'll try post some alternate links of other places you can get these wigs from, but these are, very affordable wigs. You gotta be looking bougie on a budget and can't go broke trying to pop style. So these some cheap wigs. These are synthetic. Let's get into these review. So this first wig the first wig I got is a Miss wig, I guess, straight out of the package. Came in a package like this. This is a lace part wig, I believe it is. Wow, this is long. It's a synthetic wig. It's not shiny, so that's a plus. I don't know if it's coming up shiny there, but it's not shiny. It's really soft, but it feels like baby doll hair. I'm not getting any tangling when I run my hand through it. It comes with one comb. Wow, it comes with one comb, and that's to the front in the corner here. I don't know why. And it has straps to the back. Ooh. Oh wow. Let me get a mirror. It's like giving me cosplay wig vibes, like I'm gonna be in an anime or something. It has like little bangs right here. It's a good length. It's decent length for me. Let me see if I'm getting. Oh, I'm getting shedding right here, right off the bat. Getting shedding, but it's a nice wig. It's a nice wig. I like the color. It's really nice. I love the color. I've always wanted to do a pink wig or pink hair, but I didn't want to get like bundles and then dye it, and I turned out hating it. So this is real nice. Okay, so I'm gonna stand up and show you guys like the length. This is where it's on me. It's like right under my boob area. Yeah. And I'm like 5'3", so this is where it falls. So I like it. I wonder. If you want to know how to style these wigs or how I finesse them, I'll have separate videos on them. But like I said, this is a try on 3 wigs. So this is the first one. I like it. Oh, the part. I didn't talk about the parting. So like I said, this is a lace part wig, not a lace wig. It has the lace part. It needs some plucking, definitely needs some plucking, or you could just put some concealer there. That'd be nice. But overall, I like it. Let's go on to wig number 2. I don't know which wig is this because the bags aren't clear like the first wig, and goddamn, they don't want you to open the damn packaging. Goddamn. Oh, this is the yellow lace wig. Look at it. Okay. Yellow wig. I think this one is a lace front. Yes, lace wig. Now we getting something like. I just wanted to try colors. Funny story about this haul, this wig buy. My husband actually was trying to surprise me. Ooh, this is soft and the lace is soft. Oh my goodness. My husband was trying to surprise me, and I found out about it because I was trying to figure out where my other orders were. And this is how this came about. But let me tell you, this lace right here, I like, for the people who live in Nassau, the Bahamas or whatever, right, and we buying wigs at the shop, we know them wigs laces be dead out there, be trying to charge your arm and a leg. Let me tell you, this is soft. This is the softest lace I ever felt. I thought this was like some sort of, I don't know, it dead soft. You could at me on that. This is a lace front. It has parting space. That's the parting space. This is my actual first like lace wig with a parting space. I'm so excited. It has baby hairs and all that. This is her put this yellow wig, this yellow goodness on. Trust me, Anne Marie, I think she is, who sings Handle It or something like that. When she's be like, what if I did a you on you? What would you do? Like, she had a yellow wig like this. Let me tell you, from I saw the video, I was in love. I was like, this is, even on the picture, but the video came out, she had it on and I was in love. I just want to try a yellow wig. I just love color. So we're gonna put this on. Before we put this on, let's get into details. It has 3 combs, one located behind where the part starts or finishes, whatever you want to call it, and 2 on the sides and the front. None in the back, but it does have adjustable straps, which I did put to the second loop. Let's try this on. Oh my goodness. Oh man, this is, I don't know how to feel right now. It's yellow hair. It's legit yellow hair. I honestly don't know how to feel about this. God damn.
Yeah, yellow.
God damn. Babe, your girl got yellow hair on. Your girl legit has yellow hair on. Like, I have hair on that I can throw up in one. So I'm gonna cut the lace and I'm gonna be right back. This is the second wig, the yellow wig. Like I said, it has a lace front. It comes with parting space. It's a good amount of parting space because I could part it here or part it there. And it's very deep. This is it. I could take a comb and part it. Like that. Take a comb and part it again. Part it here. I have never done yellow hair, and this was a part of this was for me to just step outside the box and try different things, you know. And my fan is blowing and all the hair go to my face. But it's awesome. I could definitely see, like, you know, you baddies wearing something like this. It's a good length. Let me stand up so you can see. I just cut the lace off. I ain't style it yet or nothing like that. Do no baby hairs, nothing like that yet, because I want y'all to see the wig as is. To show you guys, this is how it looks on me. This is where it stops. Again, right under the boobs. Loving it. I'm not getting any tangles when I run my fingers through it. I'll leave the link and the pricing below on where to order this. Now on to wig number 3. Okay, here's the third wig. I got a green wig. This is like a hunter green. So the first wig was pink. Last one was like that lemon or yellow. This one is that hunter green. Again, this is a lace front wig with parting. Ooh, I love this color. Oh my goodness. Ooh, this is nice. Amazon be doing the damn thing with these wigs, and these are synthetic. How it looks, soft the lace. It doesn't come with baby hairs, but you know, I gotta cut the lace. It has 3 combs, 1 here, 2 here. That's the parting area. I would tint the lace. Like I said, I'll do a video for each separate wig styling wise. This is how it looks straight out of the bag. Oh yeah, and it has 2 straps. It has a strap to the back, which I'm going to put to tight it because the wigs has been a little slack for me. They need to start putting cones in the back of these, you know. That would be better. This is how it looks. Oh, I love this color. In love. This might be my favorite wig out of the bunch. I'm in love. This is how it is. I'm brushing it through. I'm running my fingers through. No shedding. Ooh, I love this. This is nice. So I'm gonna cut the lace off. I'm gonna cut the lace off and be right back. Okay, so I cut the lace off. Like I said, I'm not doing any customization or anything like that. I just want y'all to see the wig for what it is, how it came out of the pack. This is how it came out of the pack. I love it. I love this color. This is my most favorite wig out of the bunch. The whole 3. I love it. Like, what do you guys think? Put it in the comment section. What do you think about this wig on me? Or just tell me what's your favorite color on me. Do you have anything else? You know, this is the parting. Like I said, I could take a comb and part the parting. Take the comb, part again, part in, and it goes way back. Baby, you like this color on me? So this is the length of it. This is the length. Right under my boobs again. All of these are mainly the same length. I'm 5'3", like I said. And that's where it falls. Just really giving me summertime vibe, you know, or even fall. You know, I can see myself walking on the beach with my nice crochet swimsuit or my swimsuit, or going out for some drinks or to a club, and you know, just pop styling on these hoes, you know, pop styling on these hoes. And everybody be like, oh, where you get your wig from? This looks so nice. It look like money, just green like money. You didn't spend a lot of money, but you look like money. You look like you spent easy $500 on this. All of these wigs I did was under $50, first of all. So that's a winner all in itself. Now, if you guys want me to do another review or another try on haul with wigs, just let me know. Just give me some sites. I'm supposed to be having some other wigs coming. I'm going to do a review on those. But overall review on these wigs. The first wig, which was the pink wig, it's too synthetic-y. Like, I know all these wigs are synthetic, but you could tell that one is synthetic. Like, you could really tell. And the parting, you could pluck it, but it has like this hard lace thing. The yellow wig I'm in love with. I love it. I love that one and this green one. Like, I love all my wigs, but the yellow and this green, I just love how this green is on my skin. Who said black girls couldn't wear color? They lied. I purchased these with my own coins, my own dinero, my own money. Nobody sponsored me. These are my honest, non-biased reviews and thoughts on these wigs. If y'all want to sponsor the girl, you know, all that info in the description box below. You know, just follow me on my handles, all my handles, my Twitter, my IG, my Facebook. Everything is at Bahamianunicorn. I will, you know, I'm just in love with this wig. Excuse me, I'm looking at it in the viewfinder. Yeah, I love this wig. That's what I'm just trying to do, because a lot of people don't have it and they still want to look good and they don't know how to. And I take the chance, I use my own money and I buy these wigs to tell you, like, hey, that's bullshit. Don't buy it.